Hey guys, we're gonna do a quick mini unboxing, some sustainable shopping for sustainable September, which is something I'm doing now. I've been talking a lot about shopping more sustainable. So these are things I got from the RealReal, under retail, some of them used, whatever, blah, blah, blah. But we're gonna unbox them and talk about them, compare them to the actual prices. Yes, clothes. We got three, I don't even remember what I got, honestly. Louis Vuitton, Prada, and All Saints. Okay? So, one at a time. Actually, hold on. Well, I'll do this in two parts. We'll do the clothes first, and then we'll do the box next. Okay. So this is the Louis Vuitton. I want to say it's like a scoop neck t-shirt. Yeah. Scoop neck tee. Gray. I mean, there's nothing very fancy about it, but it's just a simple plain tee. And wait, hold on. Okay, I couldn't find something comparable on the Louis Vuitton website because it's probably an old style, but I mean, I couldn't find something exactly the same, but comparable. Louis Vuitton t-shirts on their website go from like 575, starting at 575 up to like, I mean, they go up to a lot, but then like these three right here are like 700, 800, and that's for a basic t-shirt. Now, the one that I got, this one, I paid $58 for. So $58 versus $600. Okay? This one, Prada. Same thing. I think Prada shirt's roughly around like $600. A shirt, this was $70. And this is like another, it's a plain tee, blue, with a little, no pocket. Doesn't say Prada anywhere either. It's very, you know, if you know, you know, understated kind of. It's not even if you know, you know. It's literally just a basic tee. Oh no, it does say Prada right there. But okay, they're also all, I don't know the condition. I can't like see them anymore, but this looks pretty good. I'm gonna wash them. And then this, I don't know. This was just like $10, $18, which I think normally at All Saints are like 40 or 50 bucks. So it was $18 for the scoop neck tee, but I got this specifically because they don't make these anymore, or I haven't seen them, and I had one like this, and my friend and I got into a fight, and he tore it in half. So this is to replace that. Okay, those are those. We're gonna do those next. Be right back.